Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial on the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. Today I'm going to be using the Bling Boss Pallet. So this is what it looks like. It's just got some really pretty purple shades and like cranberry colors. This palette I'm going to be using, I'm not too sure what look I'm going to be creating just as yet. But if you'd like to see what I come up with, then please keep watching. So first of all, I'm going to be using the shade called Hush Hush. Use a nice fluffy blending brush and put that in my crease. I'm going to use the shade Rockstar, and I'm going to apply that into my crease. Using the same brush, I'm going to apply that in the crease as well. So taking that Hush color again on just an even fluffier blending brush, I'm just going to make sure that I really blend out the edges. I'm going to take the shade Mystic. I'm just going to focus this in my crease. Going back in with that big fluffy brush, just gonna make sure everything is nice and blended. So now I'm just gonna take a skin mist or any sort of face spray, and I'm just gonna spray that on a brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Gem. This shade I'm gonna focus on the outer corner of my eye as well as the inner corner. So I'm just dabbing this rather than blending it in. So next I'm going to go in with another brush and I'm going to just make it damp. I'm going to go in with the shade called Elsie. Focus this on the center part of my eyelid. Back in with the shade Gem. You just want to slowly blend these two shades together. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to start doing the under eye area. I'm going to first go in with the shade Gem again. And I'm going to put this all under my eye. Then taking an even smaller brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Mystic. And I'm going to put this as close as I can to my eyelashes, just to darken it up a bit. Once I've applied my winged liner, I'm going to go in with some mascara. I'm going to use the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. going to use this NYX Forks White eyeliner pencil. So I'm going to apply some of this in my waterline. This is in the shade Lavender. You can see that just brightens up the eye a little bit. So I'm going to apply some false lashes. These are the Ardell Forks Mink lashes. So next I'm going to go in with the Laura Geller Baked Blush. This is in the shade Tropic Hues. So for highlights I'm using one of these little testers. This is the Winky Luxe Charm Holographic Highlighter. So just going to take some of this and apply it to my brow bone. For my lip liner, I'm just going to go in with a Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade Pitch. And then I'm going to go over that with the MAC lipstick. This is from the Lip Tensity lipstick in Burnt Finance. Okay, so that's the final tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Really excited to create some more different looks using the different palettes. There is 4 palettes in the vault. I did purchase all 4 just because they are so beautiful. I will link below where you can purchase these palettes. If you'd like to see more, then please do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comments below.